Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you're new. Look at my freaking blocky ass eyebrows. I failed today filling them in. But so today I decided that I'm going to bleach my hair and dye it. Kind of nervous. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we'll see. I gotta untangle my hair because that shit's like a fucking nest. But I will show you guys when I'm in the process of adding the bleach and developer. Okay guys, so I detangled. Ooh. See my fucking dandruff. Okay guys, so I detangled my hair and now I'm gonna cut this much. Make sure it's even. Should be, whatever. Okay, here goes nothing. By the way, my son's playing with a freaking squeaker. Scissors gonna suck. Damn, that is so uneven. Oh my god. Okay, here goes the other one. Oh my god, this is so short. It's like way shorter than I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing the developer and the bleach. Okay, so now I'm going to mix the bleach for the and the developer right here, 40. I have my brush and my bowl and gloves. So I don't know how much I'm supposed to put, so I'm kind of gonna guess. So I'm kind of gonna guess because I don't know, I've never done this on myself, like not the proper way. I've always done the Walmart way, like where you get that ombre kit. Gordo, no. So I don't know, I'm scared. So I'm gonna put, I don't know, I'll start off easy, I guess. I'm gonna do my whole head probably. So 40. I'm scared. I thought it would smell worse. Putting my gloves on. Sorry for the yellow lighting. I'm in my bathroom right now, so bear with me. If I can get these damn gloves out, shit. Gonna put these bad boys on. They fit me. Fuck, I didn't even see the size. When I was working as a CNA, I used to use extra large ones because even though my hands weren't that huge, I would use them because they would slip off easily, so it was easy. And my hands get really sweaty in here, so. Let me open this door because it's hot as fuck. I'm scared. I'm scared right now. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Okay. Put here. I'm nervous. Okay. Here goes nothing. this is the progress. Progresso. Like a blonde. The back, I don't know. I can't touch it right now, but hopefully it looks good. The back. I'll show you when I put the toner and the developer piece. Okay, guys. It's the next day. I was gonna finish it yesterday, but it was already too late. Like at night, it was like 1 in the morning, and I was getting tired, so I didn't. But now I'm debating if I should just bleach it again. But I don't think so, because either way I have like a developer and toner. So I don't know if I should. I should probably not wear this too. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I decided to put a trash bag over me because I don't want to fuck my shirt up. So I don't know how this works, but I got this one. It's in T18 lightest ash blonde. I don't know if you can see that. But I got 3 of these because the girl said for my hair I'd probably need 3. I don't know if I should pour all of it. Probably not. I'll do 1 bottle at a time. Carla, get out of here. Nobody. I know that's what it smells like. Holy shit. Oh. I'm gonna put this. And I'm guessing this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna start sweating up in here. Okay guys, so I just did my whole head. Now I just need to do my roots, and then we'll see the finished product. Hey guys, so I don't know, is there any difference really? Well, my ends are kind of dark, so it's like, what the hell? But I don't know, we'll see. It was supposed to come out like this, like, so you gotta go. What is it? Hold on. Like that. It's right here. Like ashy, but I don't know. It's weird. It's like orange and yellow. I don't know. We'll see when it dries up. Hey guys, so I dyed my hair. I didn't have enough blue, so these strands at the bottom are pink. I'm such a mess, if you can see. And I'm currently on the toilet, so oh well. I didn't do my sideburns because you can barely see them anyway, so what's the point? But yeah, hopefully, cross my fingers, this comes out good. So I'll let you guys know the finished product in a little bit. Hey guys, so this is the second part of me bleaching. I tried, I didn't do my roots because I was gonna do that another day. I just wanted to give my hair rest. But I tried doing like a bunch of things, like dandruff shampoo with baking soda and vitamin C. I tried vitamin C, baking soda, and the purple shampoo. It took out color, but blue is so like annoying, blue and green, that like this is basically what was like, this was like all the way down here, and then from here down was like black, like what the hell. But yeah, I didn't really record that because I was like so like pissed off like with everything, and then I was just trying to get rid of the hair. But anyway, so I did that and nothing, and they kept drying my hair out. So I was like, bro, like I was like, the only thing that's left for me to do honestly is just bleaching, because at the end of the day, like that's what everybody ends up doing anyway. Like there's, for like at least blue, like it's impossible. So or it'll take too long, and I don't want to be with this color like for a month, 2 months, you know what I mean? So I might bleach it one more time down here, or I'll just bleach it this up here and then tone it all together. That's another thing. I feel like the toner that I put originally, I didn't leave it too long. I didn't leave it long enough, so that's why it probably didn't like work. But hey guys, so I dyed my hair. I bleached it, and this is what I ended up with. I still have blue, but it's like way less. Now it's like actually blonde. I just need to tone it a little bit more. I don't know yet if I should bleach the bottom again so it could be this color, but so far this is what it looks like. And yeah, I hate that blue. I'm never doing blue again. So ugly. But yeah guys, so I'll probably do another video of me actually fixing the top and dyeing my hair finally the color I want. So yeah, I'll check you guys in my next video. Peace.